Hey guys, Coach 𝐿 here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review and tutorial. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about a simple marketing plan for success, a simple marketing plan to get leads and sales. And what prompted me to make this video is that I know that a lot of beginners, they overcomplicate the process to leads and sales. And I wanted to demystify that and share the simple process that I've been using across several affiliate products. And I'm going to share that with anyone who wants to learn today. So I myself have made over $3,000 with Infinity Processing System, and the $300 commissions come in. I promote pretty passively, and I'm going to share what that process kind of looks like. And I want to point out that our members are using a very similar process as well, and they're getting great results. They're earning these $300 commissions that you're able to earn from this system, and that's really what it's about. I mean, we have tons and tons of success stories in this group, and I just wanted to just quickly point that out, that beginners, intermediate, advanced marketers are all using these strategies. My homeboy James, all using this strategy, okay? And getting great results. Okay, so let's jump into what the actual strategy is. If you want to learn more about Infinity Processing System and how you can, come into this learning platform and learn how to be a better marketer, to learn how to set up automated sales funnel, to learn how to market on these platforms like YouTube and Facebook and Craigslist and Instagram. And how to close more sales. If that's something you want to learn while earning $300, $150 commissions, click the link beneath this video. Go ahead and position yourself and get started. I do give as a bonus my strategies that have helped me in the YouTube space and also on Facebook, and you'll get access to all of that as a bonus when you position yourself at Pro or Elites. All right, so let's get into this actual training. I wanted to give a simple marketing plan for those who are looking for a simple way to advertise their business and to get leads and sales in their business. And again, this is the simple process that I have used across several affiliate products in the online space. So let's go over this. In order to make money online, you must have a routine of advertising. If you do not have a daily routine of advertising, you won't get leads and sales. It's that simple. But the process can be pretty simple. So the core foundation of my marketing efforts is to make a simple YouTube video. Okay, that YouTube video I will email to my list. You can take that YouTube video and do a lot of things with it, but the core foundation is learning how to make a simple YouTube video. Here's why you want to be making YouTube video. One, that person who we often refer to as gurus or whatever, they're making videos. If you want to get to where they are, you have to do what they do. They do YouTube videos for a reason, because it helps with conversions and it helps build know, like, and trust. YouTube reviews are very simple. They don't have to be long videos. They could be 7 minutes or less, okay? And if you're that person that you're like, I'm afraid as a beginner to show my face, you can do a simple screen share video using Screencast-O-Matic, and you don't have to show your face. I would encourage you to, because it's brand recognition, but you don't have to. And when you come into the IPS system as a pro member, one of the things is, if you scroll down to YouTube automation, this is where you're going to get a course where Adriana has shared her secrets on how to leverage YouTube to get the results that you want. Okay, so you definitely want to come and watch this and learn this and apply this, because it's not complicated. It's not a million videos. Like some trainings are like a million videos. She's told you the things you need to know to get going and to get conversions, leads, and sales. Okay, so the core of my marketing strategy is to make a YouTube review video for what I'm promoting, and in this case, Infinity Processing System. Step number 2 is to email your list. Okay, step number 2, when you come into Infinity Processing System, one of the first things she's going to show you how to do is how to create an automated sales funnel, also known as an autoresponder. She's going to show you how to set that up. And when you're a pro member, one of the other bonuses that she's going to give you is a 30-day follow-up sequence, so that you don't have to wonder what to say or what to put in those emails, so that you have 30 days of emails following up with anyone who goes into your funnel. Okay, so that's step number 2. But once you build that funnel, one other step that you want to do is do a daily email broadcast to your list. If you can't do it daily, pick 3 or 4 days a week where you're going to commit to broadcast your list. Broadcast means you just simply send an email to that list. My air fryer is going on, make some wings. Where you're going to send an email to that list. And what you want to send in that email to that list is you want to send proof, results, and updates, right? Proof that other people, again, doesn't have to be your own proof. Proof that people are winning and succeeding with the program. Send them updates of what's happening in your business and what you're learning and any results that you have, any growth that you're having, things like that. It could be you got leads because of what you learned in the business. It doesn't have to be you made a whole bunch of money. It could be this system taught me how to finally get leads. And here's a screenshot of that. And here's, you're ready to get started. Here's the link, right? So you're going to email your list. You're going to stay in contact with your list as you start getting leads on your email list. So if you get 14 leads, you're going to start emailing those 14 leads, okay? So that's step number 2, is email that list. Again, your autoresponder will do the majority of that part, but then you're going to pick, I would say, at least 3 times a week where you're going to broadcast that list. If you can do it daily, great. Social media posts. You're going to do a social media post on, Facebook or Instagram, whichever one your social media platform you're on, okay? I would suggest that you do Facebook. Is pretty beginner friendly, and you can repurpose that social media post. You can share that post to your storage. You can share that in 10 Facebook groups and things like that, so you can get extra eyeballs on what you're doing. So that would be my advice. And if you come into the IPS back office and you click down to where it says pre-written ads, there's some pre-written ads already done for you that you can click on and look at, so that you can begin to post on Facebook. But you also want to take a look at the Facebook Mastery, why can't I talk? The Facebook Mastery section, because it's going to show you how to make posts that build, know, like, and trust, and it's going to give you the right groups to post in and things like that have high engagement and stuff like that. And I would also encourage you to, let me see, I think it's here. Okay, yeah, if you click on Facebook Video Marketing Strategy, it's also going to show you how you could do like quick videos on Facebook, like Facebook Lives or even Facebook Stories, and drive tons of free traffic with your Facebook Stories. So for your step number 3, to make a simple post on social media, you want to pay attention to that section at IPS that says Facebook Marketing Strategy or Mastery. Why can't I talk today? All right. Step number 4, part of your simple marketing plan, is to follow up with those who share interests. What I want you to do is go to the store and buy you a 1-subject notebook. Anybody who reaches out to you and they either, message you in your inbox or they reply to your email, write their name down and where they contacted you from. And I want you to start doing either a follow-up Thursday or follow-up Friday. This is how I've closed thousands of dollars online. Because I simply just, most people are not ready the first time. I simply follow up and say, hey, you asked for information. Did you have any questions? Are you ready to get started? How can I help you get started? Something like that. I might show them some additional proof or whatever, but follow up. Remember, your autoresponder is doing the majority of that follow-up for you, but you also want to follow up people that reached out to you and expressed interest. Okay? That's the 4-step process. A YouTube review video, email your list, social media posts, and follow with those who show interest. Those are 4 simple steps that you could do every single day to grow your visibility, leads, and sales, okay, in your business. And of course, you have an awesome product, which is the IPS product, which is a digital training platform where you can make those $300, $150, and $50 commissions every time somebody buys as a result of you doing this marketing plan, these marketing efforts. You just focus on that, okay? And then as your leads grow, your visibility grows, and people reach out and they're ready to get started, you are now in position to make $300 commissions, $150, and $50 commissions. That's what it's about, creating a simple routine of advertising, leads, and sales. Something that's not a million steps. It's not going to overwhelm you. You're not going to be confused about what to do because you have your membership area that's going to teach you how to do these 4 steps, right? For the Facebook social media post, you have this section. There's a section on email marketing, right? Creating your automated sales funnel. if you just stick to these 4 steps every single day, you will see your visibility and leads grow. And as your visibility and leads grow, your sales will grow as well. And again, you're doing this follow-up part as well. So that's it. Oh, and let me tell you, and in the follow-up part, if you're like, oh, I don't know, what to say, she gives you a script, 6-figure closing script. For all 4 of those steps, there's information at IPS on how to use those 4 parts. Okay, so that's that. I hope this was of value. If you're ready to get started, the link is beneath this video. Smash the subscribe button, and remember, I give my bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.